Hamilton is a singer from Russia who has been gracing this country for over 2 decades with her soulful music. Let's see what the public thinks of her journey and her tunes.
I just love watching, YouTube. I'm always watching, of course, the wonderful Elvira and her husband, how they travel around the world, and they literally show some really amazing landscapes around, the USA, and it's really beautiful. It shows the history behind, the USA, and it's the fact that, I sit at home, so they drive around the world while I get to see, what the US actually holds, because I do want to travel the 50 states plus more, but I can't, I don't have the money just yet. But when I do get rich, I'll be doing the same thing with my husband. We're gonna be in the truck going around the USA just as well. But right now, I love watching Elvira's videos, her and her husband. They just capture literally every moment that, most people aren't able to, get. So I appreciate you for that. Thank you so much. I'm your biggest fan.
We were just talking about her. It's rare to find such authenticity and decency in a person. It's like a breath of fresh air.
Elvira's voice is magical.
Elvira is a blogger and singer and YouTuber, and she lives in Florida. She creates amazing content, very cool, she's super beautiful. Check her out.